Hey everybody, it's Jeff Wieland with Wieland Builders, and I'm here in our 2024 Homearama home, Pickwick Place. We are on the back porch of this beautiful home, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what it means to have a rear covered porch. Number one, it's covered. That's really, really important to know. All of our houses, almost all of our houses, have a covered rear porch on them. This is no exception. The screens on this porch are what we call a screenies product. They can span enormous widths. We have it up in the gable. In fact, and the other cool part about these screens is they stretch them on site. These screens, when you screen in a rear porch like this, will get you a couple extra months out of the year of enjoying your rear porch in the spring and the fall, because they do provide some sort of insulation or protection from the exterior elements. Another thing about this home is it has no stone on the outside of it, and it's all brick. And the brick goes on this rear porch across all of the headers. It goes on all of the columns, and it also goes around the fireplace. Fireplace is a real wood-burning fireplace. It's an insert, but it is a real wood-burning fireplace. And as you can see, it has a brick hearth, has a soldier course going across the top of the fireplace, has some really cool lanterns that go above the TV, and it extends up to the cathedral ceiling. This cathedral ceiling in this home is carrying on from the great room all the way out to the rear porch. And the other cool thing about this cathedral ceiling is these beams that we have in here. The beams are critical in designing because they're not real, but we do not want these beams to interfere with this cool gable that we have on the end of the porch, and we do not want the beams to interfere with our trapezoidal windows that we have above this sliding glass door. If it does, and it skews your vision, and it ruins the whole reason why we would put those windows in that gable. This door coming out to the rear covered porch from the great room, we do it a lot of times from the dining room, is a 16-foot wide by 8-foot tall Pella sliding glass door unit. This allows this opening coming in from the outside from the end to the end is 8 feet wide now. So with the screens on the outside, with moderate temperatures like we're having right now, you can open up this doorway and you can open up your house, bringing the outside in, the inside out. Makes for an entire entertainment area on the first floor. So as we were talking about our rear covered porch, this is a partial covered area on the exterior, and then this is an open, what we would call a sun patio. And the sun patio is basically just a piece of concrete that's laid down. We do all sorts of different decorative concrete, standard finish concrete out here. But this is an area to get out from the under the covered porch, get out in the sun, and enjoy some evenings with the fire pit. The other thing this home has is a built-in outdoor grill. We like to keep these grills on the sun porch, not in the covered porch area, because of all the smoke and the steam and different requirements for code. But this is also an entertainment space, because when you're grilling, you want to be close to everybody. You don't want to be far apart from everybody where you can't maintain the conversation. So this is a really cool spot to see here. This home also has 3 exterior entrances to the outdoor on the rear of the outdoor entertainment area. One coming from the dining room hearth room, one coming from the kitchen, and one coming from the great room. And all of these allow for different accesses that the homeowner knew how they were going to use this home. So this particular home has a lot of rear entertainment area.